Before we celebrate our Republic Day, let us take a moment to remember this man. हमारा भारत 1947 में आज़ाद हुआ था, but still freedom without rights is just another form of slavery. To protect that freedom, India needed more than a flag. India needed a constitution at that time, right? A man who carried knowledge with humility and justice with patience, who believed that a true freedom begins when every citizen stands equal before the law. A constitutional architect, a social reformer, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. He was born into the deep discrimination. जहाँ पे हम लोग यार आज शिक्षा ग्रहण करने आते हैं, वहाँ पे उनको पानी पीने तक की परमिशन नहीं थी. And every day he was forced to sit outside the classroom. फिर भी यार उन्होंने उस कड़वाहट की जगह शिक्षा को चुना एंड उसी को अपनी सबसे बड़ी ताकत बनाया, राइट? In every difficult phase of his life, he chose books over anger and education over silence. Society tried to silence him until he became one of the most educated minds in the world. With degrees from Columbia and London, he returned not for comfort. He returned for his responsibilities. As chairman of Constitution's drafting committee, he didn't just write the laws, right? He wrote the dignity for the overlooked. He designed a system where power would answer to the people, right? So what he gave to India? He gave equality before law, he gave freedom of speech, and he was the one who ended up the untouchability and much more. On 26th of January 1950, India became a republic, not through violence, not through force, but because of the words written with courage, right? And remember what I said, India became a republic. If you feel it at any point, just pass it on. And Dr. B.R. Ambedkar didn't just drafted India's constitution, he drafted India's soul, right? Yeah, so bye, thank you, Jai Hind, bye.